A girl child brings joy. She is no less than a boy. Good morning to all the eminent people present here. I need Jeff, the member of Cadet Club, Aisha School Parvanu, is here for a presentation. The main idea of my presentation is Save Girl Child, and the main idea of the group is India of our dreams. In the Indian society, girl children are considered as the curse from the ancient times. If we think from our own mind, the question arises that how a girl child can be a curse. The answer is very clear and full of facts that without girl child, boy child can never take birth in this world. Then why people do lots of violence against girl? Why they want to kill them before taking birth in her mother's womb? Why people rape or sexually harass the girls at public places, schools, home, etc. Why a girl is attacked by the acid and why a girl is become victim of various men cruelty. It is very clear that a girl child always become a blessing for the society and the reason for the continuation of life in this world. We worship many female goddesses, however, never feel a little bit kind to the women living in our homes. Truly, girls are the pillars of the society. A small girl child can be a good daughter, sister, mother, wife and other good relations in future. If we kill them before taking birth or do not care after taking birth, then how we will get a daughter, sister, mother, wife in future? Why the eyes of the people are not being opened even after so many surprise truths and facts about girls? Nowadays, women are working outside in the fields with men by meeting shoulder to shoulder and with all the responsibilities at home. This is a big shame to us that still girls are victims of many violence, though they have changed themselves to survive in this modern world. We should actively participate in the campaigns of Save Girl Child by removing the male-dominating nature of the society. In India, males consider themselves dominating and superior than women, which give rise to all the violence against girls. In nearby Kurukshetra, Haryana, a boy called Prince fell into the well, and the whole nation watched the rescue on TV. For one Prince, people united to pray, but with so many girls killed, we don't react. We are not worthy of being called citizens of 21st century. It is that we are from 18th century, and just after the girl's birth, she was killed. We are worse now. We don't even allow the girl to be born. Girls are better performers than boys. If you need proof, just look at the exam results. People want educated daughter-in-law, but think several times before making their daughters study. How can this process go on? Saving the girl child first need their parents to change their mind. They need to stop neglecting their daughters' nutrition, education, living style, etc. They need to consider their children same whether they are girls or boys. They should raise their voice against criminal doctors killing innocent girls in her mother's womb before taking birth just for some money. All the rules and regulations should be tough and active for the people who are involved in these crimes against girls, whether they are parents, doctors, relatives, neighbors, etc. Only then we can expect a good future in India. Women should also be strong and raise their voice. They should learn from the great Indian women leaders like Sarojini Naidu, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, etc. Without women, the whole world is incomplete, like men, house and the world itself. So it is my humble request to all of you that please involve yourself in saving the girl child. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said in his speech that I am standing before you as a beggar. He has launched a nationwide campaign named Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, which means save the girl child and educate her. So at last, I just want to say that the government is taking many initiatives for us. Then why are not we opening our eyes and acting as mature citizens of the country? Only that the change can make difference in our thinking. Thank you.